Very good morning, students. Welcome back to second year of physics. See, in the previous class, actually, we finished about a related to like about a magnetic flux, and as well as the Faraday's laws and Lenz's laws, and based on that, problems also finished. I want to say about a new topic that is related to what it is eddy currents. Sir, what is mean by eddy currents? So that eddy currents are nothing but in general, this is we can also call as the Foucault current. Sir, what is mean by Foucault, or we can also call eddy? This is actually discovered by Foucault. Usually we know till now in this chapter we discussed related to, see, as long as the magnetic flux changes, if that magnetic flux linked with the coils, right, according to the Faraday's and Lenz law, as long as the magnetic flux changes, if the magnetic flux is linked with the coils, therefore due to the change in flux, there it is to be current is induces as well as the EMF is induces. In this case of coils, right, it is related to the coils. It is about as long as the flux changes and the flux linked with the coils. Now I want to say, not only for coils, according to the Foucault, see, when there is as long as the magnetic flux is linked with the sheets, like a plain sheet, like you take a rectangular sheets, right, like you say a large piece of a conductor subjected to the changing magnetic flux, there it is to be current is produces, which is in the form of eddies. That means eddies in the senses that are in the form of a circle. The currents are in the form of a circles are nothing but eddies, like in the water. You know, water, in a water, if you drop a stone, there you will get the eddies. Eddies are nothing but like a circles. Clear? It is in the form of a circle. Circle is nothing but what we can call eddies. See, not only coils, see, the flux linked with the sheets, like a plain sheet, like any one sheet. Suppose I'll tell you one sheet. Suppose you take a one paper, like a one plain sheet. We say this sheet. If this sheet is linked with the change in magnetic flux, so that if there is a change in magnetic flux is linked with the coils, there it is to be current is induces the current which is in the form of eddies, it is in the form of a circle. So this is actually invented by, or it is discovered by the Foucault. Okay, the currents are called as the eddy currents, or we can also call Foucault's current. Now I'll show you experimentally. Suppose you take a one plain sheet which is suspended like this. See, there is a one plain sheet. This is a one sheet is suspended, and which is from the rigid support. You take a one north-south poles. Concentrate with what I am saying here now. There will be here the north and south poles, which is given as to be like this, or you want to say south and north also, no problem. South and north. So there will be a cross field. Okay, this cross field into the plane of a paper. When this sheet is entering, see, when this sheet is entering, because it is suspended, therefore when sheet is entering into the coil, into the uniform magnetic field, because there will be a field is there provided by this south and north of a bar magnet, so that the field is into the plane of a paper. When this sheet is enter, or this plain coil or a plain sheet is entering into the uniform magnetic field, there it is to be this coil is behave like a north pole, so that north, when is entering into the field in a uniform magnetic field, right, entering, because suspended, no, so that when it is entering into the uniform magnetic field, therefore this coil or this sheet is behave like a north. So suppose you write a north in this sheet, there it is to be current is induces in the coil, it is in the form of a anti-clockwise when it is enters into the region, so that there will be a north, no, therefore due to this north there will be an opposition will be there. That opposition is nothing but what? The magnetic flux is always opposes, and here which is in the form of a current in the form of a circle. So that there is a magnetic flux is always opposes because of the EMF induced. there is a EMF induced. Therefore, the motion of this sheet is opposed by the EMF, because there is a EMF induced. When there is a EMF induced, that EMF is opposes the changes caused by it. This is according to the Lenz law, we can say. The Lenz law, we can say like this, so that there is a opposition offered by the EMF, because the EMF induced because of the change in flux only. As long as the flux changes, therefore the flux is induces the current and EMF induces. That EMF and the flux always opposes the changes caused by it. It is nothing but a Lenz law. So that when it is enters into the region, there it is to be current is induces in the form of a eddies, which is in the form of a anti-clockwise direction, ACW. Suppose this coil is leaving the, or this plane sheet is leaving from the magnetic flux, of course. Again, when it is leaving, because it is leaving and it is entering, right, leaving from the field, and therefore this coil or this plane sheet is behave like a south. So when south is nothing but there is to be current is induces, which is in the form of a clockwise in the circle, that is eddies we can call. On the plane sheet there will be a current is and EMF is induces in the form of a circle. That currents are nothing but eddy currents or Foucault's current. And this EMF is opposed by the changes caused by it. That changes caused by it, and it is due to the change only EMF and current is induced. And this EMF is opposes the changes, because which is moving away from, no? Therefore it is opposes and it is attracted towards, this sheet is attracted toward the north pole. So it behave like a south. When leaving from the magnetic field, it is behave like a south, and when it is enters into a field, therefore it is behave like a north. So if it is north, is nothing but a current is in the anti-clockwise, and it is leaving, it is behave like a south, therefore there it is to be current is induces in the clockwise. Clear? It is a clock and it is an anti-clock. So the currents induced on the sheet is, it is in the form of eddies, circles. The currents are called as eddy currents. It is discovered by the Foucault only. You remember here, it is very, very important, because for 4 marks they will ask you one question, because on this basis there will be a magnetic flux, change in magnetic flux we know, and it is depend on area, that is flux is directly proportional to area, and magnetic moment also induced, that is equal to IA, therefore M directly proportional to I and M also directly proportional to A we can. Because it is depend on area, magnetic moment also depend on area, because there it is to be current is induces. You take any sheets, like comb, you take a comb also, there also it is in the form like a E letter. Suppose one E letter is suspended like this, yes, there will be area is different, because current and the flux and magnetic moment is, it is different, because it is depend on the area. Suppose if I subtended it like this type of sheet, and when it is enters into a uniform magnetic field, therefore each and every this rectangular sheets, there it is to be current is produces, which is in the form of a anti-clockwise direction. The current is induces in the each one, like you say like this, which is in the form like this. Clear? So it is about what we can say, there it is to be current induces, the current is always, or EMF is always, that current always opposes the changes caused by it. That means that opposes the motion, because it is entering, when it is enters into a uniform magnetic field, therefore that opposes the motion of a sheet, or the motion of a coil is entering. And it is leaving from the field also, again it is opposes the speed or a motion of that coil. In both the cases, there it is to be opposites, which we can call as what it is, we can say Foucault current. Because of the Foucault current, that is to be opposites. And here there are some applications are there. Applications are very, very important for 4 marks. Actually this question related to only 4 marks. See, eddy currents, because usually they are asking, in the previous year also you check, this question is there. Once you check the papers, previous question papers, in that papers this question was there. So here applications, see magnetic braking trains. One is a very, very important, magnetic braking trains. Sir, what is magnetic braking trains? Usually we know the magnets are, electromagnets are situated in the above rails, that is we can say magnetic braking trains. In the trains, suppose you say, some trains, bullet train, like you take a other trains which are move with a high speed. Once it reaches to the trains are reaches to once it is reaches to the maximum speed. Therefore, once reaches to the maximum speed, we cannot stop immediately by applying the brakes. There it is to be required a what? There we can produce the electromagnetic currents, or we can say eddy currents are required. See, eddy currents, what they will do? Definitely it opposes the motion. So that it is to be produces, that's what we can call electromagnetic trains, magnetic trains. In the trains, what will be there? That there will be a, in that brakes, in the brake system, see there it is to be eddy currents are generated. Because of eddy currents is generated in the trains, therefore it opposes the motion of a train. So it is a one important application for eddy currents. Clear? As well as I will tell you other also is there in the page number, because we have different applications on the basis of this eddy currents. So look at the first one is over, that is magnetic braking trains. Please open your materials. So the page number 268, describe the way in which a eddy currents are used to advantage. So eddy currents, that is magnetic braking trains, yes, it is usually in electric trains, electromagnetic are placed so that these magnets are activated, induce the eddy currents, opposes the motion of the train, and braking effect is smooth. That's what we can call. It is about a braking, magnetic braking trains. Usually some trains moves with a high speed. So there it is required, electromagnetics are required to produce the eddy currents. And come to the second, electromagnetic damping. Sir, what is this damping? In this process is used in the galvanometer, whose fixed core is made of with a non-magnetic material. Above the galvanometer, it is a non-magnetic material. So eddy currents are produces when the coil is oscillates, because in that coil will be there, that coil oscillates. Therefore, it opposes the motion of a coil such that it is to be comes to rest rapidly. Because we are seeing the measurements by using the galvanometer, no? Yes, there also eddy currents are generated to come to rest immediately that coil. Like induction furnace also same. They are also using this electric power meters also, eddy currents are used to rotate the shiny metal disc in the power meter. So the magnetic field produces in the disc by sinusoidal alternating currents in the coil. See, these are the four examples related to what we can say eddy currents applications, which are very important. Once you check the nearby the question, say look at March 18, this question was given 2017, like 17 May, 17 March, and here May 16, March 16, March 15, like that the question was given in the previous years. So that once you read this question, that's what eddy currents are nothing but the currents which always opposes the motion of the bodies, motion of the sheets. That's what we are using in the different purposes, like electromagnetic magnets. So that produces the eddy currents. So in magnetic braking trains, so that we can apply the brakes or smooth way. That is a major use in our nowadays. We are using this one. Clear? So that is related to what it is, we can say eddy currents. Once you go through this question, because which is very important. Now come to the next one. Next side heading. Inductance. Side heading as inductance. Right? Sir, what is inductance? Inductance, or we can also call induced. See, inductance are induced. That means here, suppose the electric current can be induced in a coil as long as the flux changes, flux linked with the coil. See, in the same coil, suppose the current is changing, the current, I mean to say battery is connected to the coil contains a n number turns, you say, right? So that there is a current is changed from 0 to, like you say, some 0 to maximum current we are sending into the coil. That means current is changing from 1 ampere, 2 ampere, 3 ampere, like it is current changes. When there is a current is changes, therefore there is to be this current is changes, then definitely it produces the change in magnetic flux. See, there will be a change in magnetic flux. That change in magnetic flux is which is linked with the same coil. Suppose the change in flux is linked with the same coil, or this flux is changes linked with the nearby, or it is linked with the other coil, the coil which is very close to this, very close to the magnetic flux. See, either in the same coil or in the other coils. That means here there it is to be what happens, current is induces. Because of the current is changing in the coil, then there it is to be EMF and current is induces. Of course, both is induces. This process is nothing but a induction. That means here that we can say flux is directly proportional to, we can say, current, because there is a change in flux is linked with the coils. The change in flux is linked with the coil. There it is to be what happens, current or EMF is induces. This we can call induction. So that here we should write some constant. We can call that constant is nothing but a induction. Constant is called as the induction. So that here we can say directly proportional. No? If it is contains number of turns, so n pi is equal to some constant, you say, into I. So that suppose you want to say that constant, give a name as K. Suppose you say K. K is the induction constant. Induction constant, that's what I mean to say. So K is measured in, usually unit of K is, we can say it is we can say Herny, Herny, capital H. Of course it is a scalar. Yeah, you remember induction or inductance is a scalar, and there is a dimensional formula will be DMF for this. See, we can say ml square t power minus 2 I power minus 2. So which related to what? Induction or inductance, we can say. Clear? It is actually, we have actually on the basis of this, it is induction depends on only on the geometry. That means here it is a shape, geometry of the coil, and here intrinsic material properties. Intrinsic material property, it is depend on geometry, shape. Which one? Inductance is depends on this. K is depends on, induction constant is depends on geometry of the coil, because which coil we are using, that is a very important. That is a very important. So that it is depends on, the induction is depends on like this. Clear? Actually inductions are two types are there. One we can say self induction. Okay, see, one we can say self induction, and one more we can say mutual induction. So thing is, there are two types of inductions are there, because induction process is nothing but what I am saying. See, as long as the magnetic flux, see, the magnetic flux is linked with the same coil or in the other coils very close to that change in flux, there it is to be current or EMF is induces. So on the basis of this, we have two types of inductions are there. One we can say self induction, and one more we can say mutual induction. That's what it is, mutual and self induction. See, self induction is nothing but in the self, in the coil, self coil, current is changes. There it is to be EMF induces in the self coil. The induced and the induced current and induced EMF is induces in the self coil. That we can call self induction. Of course, we have experimental verification also, I'll show you. So the mutual induction. Sir, what will be the mutual induction? Mutual induction is nothing but so thing is, see, the current is changes in a one coil. Therefore, the change in current is linked with the secondary coils. So this current in a primary changes. You take a two coils, one is a primary and one more is a secondary. So in a primary, current is changes. Therefore, the current is linked with the secondary coils. Then there it is to be, because of the change in flux, current is induces. So same we can take as the formula is I directly proportional to I only. Pi directly proportional to flux is directly proportional to I only. But one is a self, one more is we can say mutual induction. So in the both the cases, we need to find a self induction constant or coefficient of self induction and coefficient of mutual induction we need to get. So this is the process is there in the both the cases. So that we have a two types. One we can say self induction, one more we can say mutual induction, right? So that based on this, let us write a two types, and the types we'll see in the next class about a self and a mutual induction. Clear? So thank you very much. We'll see in the next class.